Hi, hello. I am Heather Walpole and I am the owner here at Ewe Ewe Yarns. I founded this yarn company in 2011 and now today we have a beautiful rainbow of yarn that we offer. These yarns are all squishy, really nice, solid colors, and they come in skeins that are ready to knit right when you get them. You can just take the label off and pull from the center or the outside of the skein. So ready to go. Plus we have patterns that we carry. This one's right here. It's called the Fluffy Fusion Shawl. It's a free knitting pattern, super fun to knit. And it's a lot of fun. So we offer 4 weights, a fingering weight, which is good for socks or any shawls or all sorts of projects, baby stuff. Then we offer a sport weight, which is great for sort of those mid-range projects, starting on maybe like a size 4 needle up to, maybe a 6 or a 7 needle if you wanted a little looser fabric. Lots of fun to work on a sport weight yarn. And it's a little bit thicker than a fingering weight. And then the next weight up that's a little thicker still is called worsted, and we offer woolly worsted. Cute little 50-gram balls that are great for color work. You can make a sweater in all sorts of different stripes. Like, imagine striping like 10 of these colors. I would wear that all the time. So worsted weight, tried and true size, so many patterns available on our website and just in general for a worsted weight yarn. And then we also make our worsted weight yarn in a cool heathered version, so you can see the difference. This is both the aquamarine in the solid and the heather, and the heathered one mixes a little bit of silver and charcoal inside, and it just gives it so much cool texture and color blend. So that's a lot of fun. I mean, stripes of that would look awesome on a sweater. And then our thickest yarn is called Baba Bulky, and you can see it comes in a larger skein, and it's just a squishy, nice, big, bouncy yarn. So it is great for like bigger sweaters, or it makes a baby sweater go so fast. You can whip up a hat from just one ball. So lots of fun stuff like that. So let me show you the range. From thinnest, we go fingering, sport, worsted, and bulky. And the other cool thing is we have all the colors in all different weights, so you can mix and match and make projects that work for you. So these yarns are all made in the same fashion. They're so squishy and bouncy, they won't even stay in my hands. They're a 3-ply super fine merino wool that is also washable. So like I said, maybe great for baby stuff, but it's also great for stuff for you because it is such a beautiful, resilient yarn. It holds its stitch definition. You can really see the textures, and you can play with all the different colors. So if you're blending colors in a different stitch pattern, those colors can really stand out against each other because of that beautiful stitch definition that comes from the from the proprietary twist of our yarn. So it's just such a great and special yarn, and I hope you'll try it someday. You can find our yarns at uwu.com, EWE, and we have 25 colors and tons of patterns and projects to choose from. And if you have any questions about a pattern or choosing colors to go together, you can send us an email and we'll get back to you. And it's a ton of fun to knit. I hope you'll become a part of the UU Yarns community and get started knitting with us. Have a good day.